Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Bridgewater Forest, a modern residential neighborhood in southwest Winnipeg, Manitoba. It's part of the larger Bridgewater community within the Waverly West development, one of the city's most significant expansion areas. Development in Bridgewater Forest began around 2008, making it the first neighborhood built in the Bridgewater Plan. Unlike many new subdivisions, this area was designed around existing natural features. Large sections of forest, wetlands, and lakes were preserved and integrated directly into the community layout. More than 70 acres of green space run through the heart of the neighborhood. Paved walking and cycling paths wind through wooded areas and around water, making outdoor activity a daily part of life here. These trails connect parks, playgrounds, and residential streets, giving the area a strong focus on walkability. Bridgewater Forest was planned as part of a long-term vision for Waverly West, expected to grow over several decades into a major residential area. What stands out most is how nature and housing coexist. Mature trees, protected wetlands, and open water remain central to the neighborhood rather than pushed to the edges. Today, Bridgewater Forest is known for its quiet streets, natural scenery, and carefully planned design, offering a blend of modern living and preserved landscape within the city of Winnipeg.